Good morning, standard 10 students. Hey, today in mathematics, I'm going to start the new chapter, that is section formula, chapter 11. Before that, reminder, what homework given during the summer holiday, you have to send it on the WhatsApp. Right? Now, what is section formula? SECT, the meaning of sect is divide. The formula, how the formula can, that is not important, it is not coming in the examinations. You have to use the result of this formula to solve the questions. Is it? So, how will you see? Let AB is a line, straight line. AB is a straight line. This line, the coordinate of A, x coordinate is x1, y coordinate is y1, coordinate of B, x coordinate is x2, y coordinate is y2. Let us suppose AB is a straight line where A coordinate is x1, y1, means x coordinate is x1, y coordinate is y1, B coordinate is x2, y2, is x coordinate is x2, y coordinate is y2. This line divided in what ratio, that is not given, by a point P in the ratio m is to n, means up to AP m value, up to PV n. So AB is a straight line with coordinate, A coordinate is x1, y1, B coordinate is x2, y2. Another point P whose coordinate is xy, let xy, whose coordinate is xy, which divide the line AB in the ratio m is to n. Means AP is m, PV is n. Then what you have to do? We have to find the coordinate of P. Which coordinate? P coordinate. Means what will be the value of x and what will be the value of y, that you have to find. This is section formula. Formula is there. Once again, the formula is not coming to drive the formula. You have to result. You have to use the result of the section formula to solve the questions. So x coordinate is, how to read? See, this one and this one. Cross multiply means n will be multiplied by x1, y1 and m will be multiplied by x2, y2. This one. So x coordinate will be mx2, taking x coordinate. So first we have to take the x coordinate. So x we have to find cross mx2 plus nx1 and x1 by sum of the ratio m plus. This will give the x coordinate. Right? This will give x coordinate. Similarly for the y coordinate. Now y1 my2 y coordinate my2 plus ny1, my2 cross plus ny1 by m plus. This formula will give the coordinate of x and y. Is it clear? So once again see here, AB is a straight line. Coordinate of A is x1, y1. Coordinate of B is x2, y2, which is divided by a P point whose coordinate is x and y in the ratio m is to n, Then we have to find the coordinate of x and y. The x coordinate is mx2 plus nx1. Cross, you have to multiply cross, plus divided by the sum of the ratio m plus n. Similarly, y coordinate my2 plus ny1 by m plus 1. So this is this is known as the section formula. 8. Now, question is, see A, B. A coordinate x1, y1. B coordinate x2, y2. Now, if P is the midpoint, P divide the line AB in the equal ratio, means P is the midpoint. Then we have to find the coordinate of x and y. Since P divide the line AB in equal ratio, means AP and PB are equal. If AP is 1, PB also equal to 1. 1 is to 1, same ratio. Then we have to find the x coordinate. X is equal to what? Cross multiply. In place of m there is 1. In place of n there is 1. So 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 by sum of the ratio 1 plus 1, that is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y coordinate 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 by sum of the ratio 1 plus 1, that is y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula when the point is midpoint, means, or we can say when the line is bisected, then this formula we will use. So this is also known as the midpoints formula. So x is equal to coordinate of x is x1 plus x2 by 2. Coordinate of y is y1 plus y2 by 2. Now using this, how we solve the questions? Let us see. 1. A coordinate is given 1, 2. B coordinate given 3, 5. And a point P. Divide this in the ratio 3 is to 2. Then we have to find the coordinate of P, x, y. So see here, we have to do the cross multiplications to find the coordinate of x and y. X coordinate, use the formula mx2, in place of m there is 3, 3 into 3 plus nx1, 2 into 1 by sum of the ratio 3 plus 2. 3 3 are 9 plus 2 by 5 means 11 by 5. This will be x coordinate. 8. Y coordinate 3 into 5 plus 2 into 2 by sum of the ratio 3 plus 2. This is y. This is equal to 15 plus 4 by 5. 8. This is 19 by 5. This will give y coordinate. So you come to know by using the section formula, we are able to find the x coordinate and y coordinate. What is x and y? The coordinate of P which bisected the line AB, or no, not bisected, which divided the line AB in the ratio 3 is to 2. Means in place of m there is 3, in place of n there is 2. Whose coordinate is 1, 2 and 3, 5 is given. Then we have to find the coordinate of x and y. So by using the formula, what formula? X coordinate mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. This is x coordinate, and for the y coordinate my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. 8. So this is y1. So this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. By using this formula, we can easily find out what is the coordinate of x and y. So some more question I will solve you tomorrow. One centroid one, and how to solve the different types of problem. Thank you very much.